Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to use Worksoft Capture to capture your test case or your business process. We find that business users and QA people can easily use Capture to document their systems, analyze them, and then see what's happening. This has all started with Worksoft Capture. In my try of Worksoft Capture, I'll begin Capture, and then now I'll just walk through my transactions. So as I navigate through the system, Capture in the background is observing what I'm doing silently. So Capture understands how to connect to the user interface and observe what I'm doing. So all I have to do is work through my UI the same way I normally would. And Capture in the background is observing that and building my processes. In this case, I've created a sales order. I'm going to do one extra step. I'm actually going to create a quick verification step and say I'm interested in this sales order. So I highlight it and click Capture Objects. In the background, it's doing all the work for me. So I can just continue doing my job. I've created a sales order. I'm not going to create a distribution. I just walk through the user interface doing my normal job, and Capture does everything it needs to do. When I'm completed, all I have to do is a right click and say End Capture. At this point, I can either save this as standalone and share the asset, or I can actually push it up to analyze. In this case, I'll just save it to disk. Now you've seen a simple video of how to use Worksoft Capture. Worksoft Capture works with the SAP GUI, with Oracle Forms and eBusiness, and all sorts of web applications like SuccessFactors and Fiori. So all you have to do is start your capture, do your normal job, and then save your assets. And this lets you start your process of building automation.